Toss Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another Diamond Art Club unboxing. And again, this is from my Black Friday sale. I do have a ton that are coming in, guys. So just get ready. I mean, I got a ton, and some of them are still not here due to the postage. It's nothing to do with Diamond Art Club. It is just the post office. Everybody knows that they are very swamped from Christmas, and so it's taking them a while. So some of these I ordered in different batches, and now I've learned, before I show the canvas, now I've learned that not to buy. This is me. I'm not telling y'all not to do it. But when you buy 4 or more at one time, it comes in a bigger box and it goes by DHL. If you buy 2, 2, maybe 3, you're pushing it with 3, it can be delivered by the post office. DHL, for some reason, coming to me, just to me, I don't know if it's anybody else, but it takes longer. I don't understand that. But the United States Postal Service, the post office, I get it within, normal time. Now, due to what's going on right now, everybody's packages are coming in late. So I've got, I think, between 8 and 10 that are still not even, one box, I don't even see it moving. So, go figure. But, y'all know I am not lacking in DAC canvases. So, there's no big deal. It's just when y'all get to see it, really. Alright, so let's get on with this baby. So, this one I ordered just one. And it came, of course, Diamond Art Club boxing. And let's throw it over there. Boom! Throw it out the way. Alright. Now this one has the blue, which y'all know that means it is a square canvas. So let's get into this baby. Oh my gosh, I know which one this is now. I have one that I bought. Let me open it up while I'm talking. From Auntie Allie. And I do have it boxed up. Hey, C, I'm talking about you. I bought this one from Auntie Allie, but then I saw it on DAC, and so I decided to share that one. And I know C loves this lady. So I decided to order it from them. I'm trying to open the box. It's very tight today for some reason. Alright. So let's get the things out. Of course, there's the toolkit. This beautiful, I think it's called Turpaline canvas. I think somebody said that to me. Alright. I think that's it. Got the 2 stickers. So let's go over this kit. For those that may have never watched my videos about my unboxings, in the toolkit, this is a square toolkit. You will get a clear boat, a blue drill pin. You will get some baggies. It might not be enough to do your entire painting, but it's a good way to start. I have tons and tons and tons, which I have used these bags for other things. You get 2 pieces of the heart-shaped wax that you put at the end of your drill pin. Blue squishy that goes on your drill pin. Number 4 placer to do multi-placing. And super sharp, poke your eye out tweezers. Y'all have to be very careful with these. These will draw blood, but they're great to give. So that is the standard kit for Diamond Art Club for the square. The difference for the round is you do not get the tweezers. Alright, so this is in here, but let me show you the sticker. Of course, y'all know this one I put in my book. Here is the canvas. The Bayou lady. Yes! She is a 42 by 125 centimeters. Googly boo. So she's very long. She has 45 colors with ABs, and she is a square. Look how beautiful she is. All right, so let's take her out. I could tell that is a old sheet because it normally will have who the artist is and all of that on the canvas, and it's not. So that doesn't mean the quality is any different. It's always going to be great quality. Ooh, and I see a change. Look how long that is. I'll show y'all that change. You always get a step-by-step instructions, which also has a code, coupon code inside. What I'm going to do is just fold her back the other way. Remember, this canvas is, I think it's how you pronounce it, is turpoline canvas, which allows you to roll it back this way. And it is sewn on the edges, so there's no fraying. Let me show y'all that. See that stitching? So it will not fray. There is a guarantee on these canvases through Diamond Art Club, guys. Let's move those drills out of the way. Let's look at this baby. Oh my gosh, she is long. She's not wide, but she is super duper long. Wow. Of course, Diamond Art Fashion, the schematics is on the top left and the bottom right. Oh my gosh. Yeah, normally you will see who the author is, the designer is, and all of that, and that's not on this one. But that doesn't mean it's any less Diamond Art Club Fashion, guys. Alright, so y'all know the first thing I like to do, I like to show y'all, let me see, there's the pasting area, which is a full pasting area. The Bayou Lady, 42 by 125 centimeters. And I will have on the screen, I probably already put it up, what it is in inches. Look at that. Let's look at that drill quality. OMG. Look at that red up there. These symbols, I haven't seen this one before. That looks like an hourglass. Y'all know I hang my canvases up on those little hangers that have the little clips on it. That's just like how I like to do it. And it gives it, make me feel like I'm shopping when I'm going to the next one. Which y'all know I ain't went to the next one yet. Still working on the same two. But that's okay. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. So right now, I'm going to insert the picture of the full thing. I made an area on my floor so that y'all are able to see her fully, because y'all know I can't show her all the way on my desk area. But look at these lips. I hope that is an AB's. If it's not, it will be. That necklace is popping out to me. Look at that beautiful green dress. Oh, look at the frog. That's what I'm talking about. And got the little skulls here. Sugar skulls. That's what I'm talking about. So pretty. Lots of greens. Very beautiful. So let me insert right now. Alright, so now we're going to look at these drills. Now the first thing I see, guys, is, of course, you see we got the AB, the Bayou Lady. Look how long this package is. But let me say this. It says 45 colors. Okay. I know they had said that they got a new machine that are making the drills to try to make them a little bit better. Now, I'm going to say this. Diamond Art Club has always been good to me with the drills. I mean, there's only one canvas that I worked on that I had problems with the 310s, but a lot of people have problems with the 310s, which is the black, and that's because that's the most highly produced drill. But they got a new machine, and they're supposed to try to knock that down as well. That doesn't mean it's going to be 100%, guys. Nothing is 100%. All right? So let's see how many trains we got. 1, 2, 3. All right. So let's start with this one. And the first thing I notice is, look at the numbers, guys. The new packaging has the stripe blue with the silver in the center, and then the numbers are huge. I love that. I can see that way across there. I love it. Good job, Diamond Art Club. I'm loving these. And look at the drills, guys. Look at the quality of the drills. I don't see any nibbly bits. I don't see any little holes underneath that makes it hard to stick to the canvas. Oh my gosh, these look a lot better. So, even though this is a older canvas, the new packaging is in here. So, let's go through the colors, guys. So, we got two of already, y'all can see is 907, that green. 740, ooh, that's a pretty bright orange. We have two bags of 3819, 3078, 741. Our first AB, guys. How many ABs do we have? We had 3 ABs in this canvas. Wow. This is a full bag of ABs. Can y'all see that? Now, see the difference? These shine, but look at that extra sparkle. Oh my gosh. That extra sparkle. Oh my gosh, it's a full bag. So that's awesome. Then we got 445. That is such a light, pretty yellow. 3823. Oh, this looks like a 310 train here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is going on? 9 bags of 310. Hold on, guys. I don't know what is going on right now. Alright, so look at this. Now, the black is the one that normally you have issues with. Oh, that's Donna. Oh, let me let her know. But I'll call her right back. Look at that. It doesn't have any nibbly bits. Anything. Oh, I mean, it's probably, you know, it's going to be a... Y'all already know, ain't nothing 100%, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same great quality. That's why they give you extra. They always give you extra in your kits. 815, 3846, 728, 782, 606. We got 2 606. That's a pretty red. 3818, 742. Ooh, I love 441. I'm going to have to see if I got that in AB. 441. That is pretty. Look at that pretty yellow. 300. 2 bags of 905. Wow. 2 bags of 307. That's a pretty yellow as well. Got 1 bag of 165. That's a pretty light baby yellow. 2 bags of 906. I thought we had 906 already. Maybe we got multiples of 906, guys. 783, 400, 321. This looks like that might be her lips right here. If I got that in AB, I'll probably change it. One more train. Look like the other ABs are on this one. All right. Come on. Here we go. Very tiny bags. 3607, 602, 3705. These are the smaller bags. 3811, 3837, 3024, 598, 732, 3371. That look like that must be trying to shading for her skin. Yeah, because I ain't seen that many. 832. Ooh, here's an AB. 135. Look at that pretty. That's like a lime green. 135. 898. 744. 947. 814. 743. 890. Ooh, 130. I think this is my first 130, but I don't know, child, how many kits I done did. I don't remember, but that is a beautiful yellow. I wonder if that's the equivalent to that other yellow. No, because it wouldn't be the same number. That is so pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. It might be, though. Then we got 699 and 904. That are all the beautiful colors. Now, let's look and see where these ABs go, guys. That's what we need to see. Let me fold this in half. Let's see. Let me text her and let her know real quick. Sorry, guys. I want to let her know I'm not ignoring her. All right. All right, so now we're going to see where these ABs go. And there's 3. So 130, 135, and 141. 130 is the yellows. So that is number 1. OMG. Number 1s. I see it's right here. I thought it was outlining her crown, but it's not. It's just on this side of the crown. Or this flame. I don't know what that is behind her. The window. And then it goes down and it outlines just to her face, the yellow. And then it starts going down, outlining this side, but it stops here. And it stops here. Wow. I thought it would be further down. Okay, there we go. Then I see some more under her dress right here, outlining there. Going down here by the frog, outlining him there. And that's it for the yellow. The AB's 130. Okay, and 135 is that green, and that's number 2. So we'll start down here for number 2s. Ain't none in the frog? I don't see not one in the frog. Okay, so let's keep going. Oh, I see some here. And over here, and this is the part of her dress, number 2s. Some 2s here, 2s here. Wow, so it's just little specks in her dress. I don't see any here. None here. Wow, really? Just sprinkled through her dress, just a few. Not a lot, guys. Let me see if there's some up here in this seaweed. No, don't see that there either. In her crown. Yep, I see some in her crown. Well, that's good. It's in the crown. Awesome. And then the last one is 141, which y'all know is that white. It's like an off-white. And that's number 3 on here. So number 3 is the, oh, it's outlined with the white. Okay, I see it all. This white you see here. That's AB's in the crown. In her pearls. Up here in the shadows of the seaweed. Outlining the window. So it's a lot of those. That's why we got that full. Oh yeah, in her necklace. The pearls of her necklace. Outlining in her dress here. Oh yeah. So it will sparkle, guys. A lot of them here. Over here. This right here is outlined. It's not the full face. It's just the outline of the face. And then here. Oh, that's pretty. Going around her dress right there. And then the frog has it on his chest. Right here. It's not in the eyes. Right here. And then the other outline of the dress. And then there's some sprinkled here throughout the dress. So that is the ABs. Wow. This baby is long. I know y'all see me still pulling. Still pulling. This is a long, again, 125 centimeters. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.